Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Wish you Happy New Year.
Home Depot to get some ice melt for the supposed ice and snow. Ready, Bella?
Yeah. Mommy, I want to get in the car.
You want to?
I want cars.
No. We're not going to do that.
I want to get this. I want to get this.
So I'll get that cart right there.
I want to get this, Mommy. I want to get this.
No, we're not going to do that. We're just going to get the ice melt. Yeah, because we're just going to get, if it's any more left, I think it's down here.
It's Santa.
Oh, it is Santa.
I want to touch it.
No, Belly. Ice melt. Alright, Si. Pick up the bag and put it in there for me, please. No, that's got the sign on it right here. Be careful because it can rip a hole. Okay, that was careful. Here, you push it while I hold Bella's hand. Ooh, generators. Ooh, 700. Guys, looks like we're going to be stuck in for a day or two. It is currently sleeting. We made it out to the store like crazy people because we didn't think anything was going to happen, but now we're back and we're going in and get out this cold. See you guys later. So guys, I already have the vegetables chopped up. We have a yellow chopped onion,
And
parsley.
parsley.
What's this right here?
Carrots.
Good job. So I was gonna chop them up smaller, but I was looking down since they're little mini baby carrots, we'll leave them like that. Then we have our celery. We already have our 4 chicken breasts in the pot. We have our chicken stock, our paprika, salt, pepper, cream of chicken, and my little secret what I'm gonna use here is some sazon, the tropical. It's gonna make it that extra little So we're gonna get, baby, you okay?
Yeah.
All this goodness up in here.
And I'll piss in it.
Woo! Woo! We wasting. Hold on. Guys, what we're gonna do, we're gonna get all this good stuff in here and then we'll see you guys in a minute.
Peace, baby.
All right, guys, our chicken pot pie, crock pot style, is basically ready. We're waiting on the biscuits in the oven. Why am I singing? I'm excited because it smells delicious. We're just waiting on the biscuits, and I'm still singing. I'll be back.